Teeth are an important part of our body. Those who have no teeth or have any problems with the teeth, they really understand its importance, so we really need to take care of our teeth. Friends, today we will show you 2 natural remedies. Using these 2 remedies properly will strengthen your teeth, as well as brighten your black or yellow teeth. So let's start. Now I will create the first remedy. First, take 1 tablespoon ginger in a bowl. Ginger is a superroot, superfood, which can actually help whiten and strengthen your teeth and your gum line. Ginger's antibacterial properties keep plaque and bacterial buildup at bay. And its anti-inflammatory features can make your next toothache a lot more tolerable. Add 1 tablespoon sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, is an abrasive compound that can remove the stains that are caused by drinking coffee, tea, smoking, etc. and the debris on the surface of the teeth to make the teeth appear whiter and brighter. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lemons are packed with nutrients such as vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and fiber that are beneficial to your teeth, but more lemon juice is harmful for teeth. Add ½ tablespoon toothpaste. Toothpaste is used to promote oral hygiene. It is an abrasive that aids in removing dental plaque and food from the teeth. Then mix well. Take a toothbrush and apply your toothbrush it 3 minutes in your teeth, then rinse with water. This remedy apply 1 to 2 times a week. Second step. Take 1 tablespoon ginger in a bowl. And ½ tablespoon salt. As a substance, salt is antibacterial, and as a substance it does not damage your tooth enamel at all. In fact, using a salt water rinse can help kill bacteria in hard-to-reach places. Add 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Mustard oil and salt is an age-old home remedy that is used to clean your gums and remove the plaque on your teeth. Add 1 tablespoon lemon. Then mix well. Now brush your teeth. After 3-minute wash with normal waters. If you use 2 to 3 times a week, using any of these 2 remedies, you will get better results. Friends, after using it, let me know in comment box your result. If you want to get more solution, please visit our website. If you want to know something, please comment. Subscribe this channel to get more helpful video.